Hey guys, Chris from Contempo here, and in this video I'm going to cover the front-end listing submission system in WP Pro Real Estate 7. Alright, so we're on the home page, and you can see at the top I'm not logged in, so let's go ahead and click that. Cool, and we got the username and password already pre-populated. However, if the user doesn't have an account already, they would just click Create Account, enter in their pertinent information, and register. So let's go back, and let's go ahead and log in here. Alright. So we're logged in. Now you'll see it says Hi Chris up in the top with my profile image, and we hover over that and we get some options here. So the favorite listings, this is, if you come down here, I have some favorited. So I'll go ahead and favorite this one. Cool. Let's go up to the top again. Let's go to favorite. So this is basically if they favorite something and they want to come back at a later date and check it out instead of trying to go search for it again, which would defeat the whole purpose. This is a page where they can view their favorite listings. So you can view it from here, or you can trash it. And you can also have the option of clearing all of them down at the bottom. So that's favorite listings. Let's go back to the top here and let's go to submit listing. So everything that's available in the admin side of things is available on the front end, with the exception of a couple of fields that aren't pertinent to the front end submission. So we got address, city, state, zip code, all that kind of good stuff. Our listing images and a map over here to the right. So let's go ahead and fill out some info here. Let's go 101 Ash Street, right? And I'll do San Diego, California, and that'll be 92101. Property type is going to be, let's say it's a single family home, and the status is, let's say for rent. And we're going to do a monthly rental cost, and it'll be $1,800. No commas or separators here. That's all done automatically through the admin. And same thing with currency. So that's a global that you set in the admin options, so don't enter any currency here. Price prefix, we're not going to have one. Price postfix, because this is a rental and it's monthly, let's go ahead and add /month. And the beds and baths, say it's a 3-bed, 2-bath, modest, 1,200 square feet. That sounds good. And property ID, we don't need it. Video URL, don't need it. Let's just paste in some dummy text here. Additional features, just for the brevity of this demo, we're going to go ahead and leave that blank. And listing images, so you can drag and drop images in, or you can click this one to select. Got some images here. Let's go ahead and grab all of them. Click open, and you're going to see a little loading icon there. So it's uploading. Just give it a second. And then once this is done, we're going to be able to either you can delete, or you can mark the specific image as featured, or you can drag and drop them to reorder for the slider. So let's say I don't like the way this uploaded. I kind of want this one up front. This one might look better here, and that one looks good over there. Right, and then you know what? Instead of having the first image be the featured one, I want that one to be the featured image. Cool. So let's go over here now, and 101. We're gonna go. So it's got the auto search here. So we're gonna 101 Ash. Let's see if we can pull it up. Oh, we got Ash Street. Yeah, there we go. Ash Street, San Diego, California, United States. Perfect. That looks like our address. And check all the information. Yep, looking good. And submit. Now this is going to take me to my listings page. So we got the listing here, featured image, cool. Everything else looks good. Now the listings, when they're entered, this is set as an option, so you can see it's pending right now. If you want, you can set in the admin options to auto-publish these posts. I mean, if you require that, you know, if that's what you want your site to be, if you want people just to be able to post anything, you go ahead and enable that. If not, you'll have them set as pending, and then an admin will need to go in and publish those posts so they show up. So another couple of things that we have here, we have the pay with PayPal. So that's an option that you can set. This, you can have it, you don't have to have it. That's all done through the admin options area. So you can set a price and set your PayPal information. There's an edit button here, view and delete. So click edit. It's going to take us to edit listing page. So we got all our info here. And you know what? Let's say I don't want that as a featured image anymore. I want this one. And this ordering wasn't working too well for me, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so this is cool. Everything else looks good. Update. Takes me back to the My Listings page, and we got the new image as featured. Everything's looking awesome. Let's go ahead and view that. Awesome. So there we go, 101 Ash Street, $1,800 a month. Got our images here, looking good. Location, we got all my information that I've entered. Cool, social profiles. We got all the social sharing links for the listing itself, as well as the print. Awesome, that all looks great. So let's go ahead and go back, and then my listings. So we also have the delete, as I mentioned earlier, and you can just go ahead and click that trash can, and then you get another notification saying, are you sure you want to do this? Let's just say okay. We're going to go ahead and delete, and now it's gone. So that's it for the front-end submission system. There's also, I've covered this in another video, but the user profile area. So you can go to account settings, and instead of going into the admin to edit all your name, contact info, you can do it all from the front end of the site. So that's it. Cool. So that would be it for the front-end listing submission system in WP Pro Real Estate 7. And as always, please, if you have any questions, open a ticket on the support site or leave a question in the item comments on ThemeForest.